Myself Vishnupriya. I'm from Electrical and Electronical Department, subject of Fiber Optics and Laser Instruments, and I'm going to take a seminar about laser for measurement of distance and length. This was the content I am going to take. An introduction: a laser abbreviation for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. A laser is a device that emits a beam of coherent light through an optical amplification process. Laser for measurement of distance and the laser distance is used for accurate determining the distance of an object. And construction: from laser is reflected to the beam splitter, and the beam splitter is reflected to the two directions. One is reference arm and the next is measurement arm, and the measurement arm is reflect to the corner cube reflector, and the corner cube reflector is determining the distance of an object, and the photodetector is used to record. Working: the beam from the laser falls the beam into one direction is reference arm and the next direction is measurement reference arm. The two beams are each reflected by mirror. A stationary mirror is called reference arm and the mobile mirror is called measurement arm. The two reflector beam are recombined at the beam splitter to interference path or recorded by the photodetector. Mobile arm moves to the direction to 1/4 wavelength, and the ground trips distance transversed by the light to measurement has changed by 1/2 wavelength, and the variations of a distance equation is d equal to 4p dx divided by 1, and the d equal to distance, 4p is a phase variation, dx is a distance of a mobile mirror, and dx max equal to c divided by dv. Dx max is distance of a mobile mirror, c is the velocity of light, dv is a light wavelength of a laser. And the next is laser for measurement of length. A laser meter sends a pulse of laser light to the target and measures the time it takes for the reflection to return. Construction: laser is reflected to the beam splitter, and the beam splitter is reflected to the cube corner reflector, and the cube corner is reflected to the fixed reflector, and the photodetector is used to record. Working: the large coherent light and high input intensity coupled with low diversion. The large laser beam is split into two parts, and they are transversing two different parts. One of the beam emerges, and the beam splitter is reflected by a fixed reflector, and the other by cube corner reflector. This technique is used for accurate position of aircraft components. Thank you.